Okay, what we have here is this really nice rug. We believe it to be silk from our burn tests, and from the outside it doesn't really look that dirty. So one of the first steps that we do, as Justin is doing right now, is we do a dry soil removal. And let's just show you how much dry soil Justin has gotten out of this rug so far. Can you believe that all of this pretty much has come from just that side of the rug? I know he's tried a couple of times for the whole rug, but he's been working on this side for quite some time. And the whole entire rug for, oh, what'd you say, like 3 hours?
About 3 hours I've been vacuuming it.
Yeah.
Vacuuming it now.
Yeah, 3 hours. Trying to get rid of the dry soil in this rug. But if we skip that step, then basically this turns into mud.